Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily disable flash notifications on your iPhone. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, write your comments at the end of the video, and also be sure to put your likes. So let us get down to this topic with you. And in order to disable flash notifications, you will need on your iPhone to open your phone settings. And then you're gonna have to scroll down a little bit and go to Accessibility. Here you'll also scroll down and find the Audio and Visual section and go to that. And in the Audio section, scroll down to the very where you can see the LED flash 4 and go to that. And in order to disable the flash notifications, you'll just need to disable all of these 3 items here. So friends, you will be able to disable flash notifications on your iPhone very easily. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please give your likes, comments, and see you soon.